So now is the exciting part. This is the home stretch right here, the last actual like big time building pieces that we're gonna have. So you need to locate your last piece. One of your last pieces here is that's gonna be your finished top. Be sure that it's edge banded, and you're gonna pick out the side that you wanna look at forever and ever and ever, and put that side face down, because if you've noticed, this case here is upside down, and you're gonna assemble this whole thing upside down because we're gonna drive screws through the inside up into your finished top. And I'm gonna flush this up on the back side here so that I'm flush right in here. Should be right about 1.5 inches. But take these measurements specific to your project, because it may be different at this stage than it is mine. And then we're gonna actually take 6 screws. You can use the same screws that you used before. You might say, well, I could probably get by with just 2, but whenever you go to move this thing, you're gonna lift it from this top, so you want a good joint right there.